Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December 18, 2022. Let's talk about Polygon MATIC today. There's something that has occurred over the last couple of trading days on the price chart that I really want to tell you all about that kind of tells us that price is going to continue to go down. Yeah, so let's break this down real quick. You guys can see I got a price prediction already on the chart for Polygon, and I was looking for the price to go up. And obviously, you guys can tell that that wasn't the case, and the price went against our prediction. So the market right here on December the 16th came all the way down here to our support area, but I wanted to mention that price also broke this trend line, which kind of tells us that the price is a lot weaker than what some people may think. So I wanted to go ahead and cut this last price prediction out the way, and I think we have a better idea where market is going to go next, and it's going to go to the downside. Now let me give you another reason as to why price in MATIC did not go up. See, the only thing that we can do when we come in and do price predictions is simply have a prediction. We're not necessarily expecting, but we're contemplating that this is the greatest likelihood of where price is going to go given the current information that we have. And as we did this price prediction, we can tell that the market buyers were seeing resistance around 95 cents, maybe even a little bit lower. So we should not be surprised that, hey, we were on course to see the price in MATIC go higher. It just couldn't do it because the sellers were positioned at 95 cents. That's it. It just didn't pan out this particular moment in time. So let's go ahead and cut this last price prediction out the way. 13% loss right there on that prediction, but we have a better idea as to kind of how the market sentiment is. You guys can see it. If it's not bullish, then maybe this is the way the price is going to trade in Polygon MATIC now. So we need to fix the price chart, and we're going to do that right now. So let me go ahead and do this, because outside of us seeing some resistance coming into the market in Polygon MATIC at 95 cents, this is where support is. You guys can tell this is a very tight range. Like, the market is finding a very meshed of buyers and sellers in between $1.80. Well, 75 cents. This is where the action is currently residing. Now we need to think forward and say, okay, if that's the current idea as to how market is trading here within these two lines, which of these lines do you think has the greatest chance of breaking? Do you think the market's going to break to the downside below 75 cents? That's one probability. Or do you think the greatest chance is for the market to break outside to the resistance area of $1? Which one do you think is likely to occur? Let's look at the market on a longer time frame to try to figure it out. Okay, so you guys can see right here on this 2-week price bar that the market in MATIC did go through some selling, but we didn't get the follow through. The price actually supported itself at 75 cents. That's great. That's a signal that buyers are definitely entrenched right there around 75 cents. But hold on. Did you see this? Look at the current 2-week price bar. Right? Look at it. If the market in MATIC was truly bullish, if the buyers were really holding 75 cents firm, we would not be seeing the market coming right back to where we started 2 weeks ago. We wouldn't see that right now. So maybe the market is still generally weaker than it is given the strength. Let's look at this on the 5 weeks. Okay. So right here on the 5-weekly chart, look at this 5-weekly price bar. This definitely is weakness and selling going on, and it is currently going on in the current 5-weekly price bar. Here it is on the weekly chart. It doesn't look bullish. Let me just be forthright and honest with you all as to how the chart looks. It doesn't look bullish right now, but it also doesn't look massively bearish. But definitely we can see price go down. I think the greater chance of where price is headed is to the downside rather than to the upside. So let's go ahead and put this price prediction on the chart for Polygon. I'm going to play some weakness, but let me put all of this into context. I don't want to give you any information that is trying to spur emotions. We just simply need to look at price action, volume, and price bars to get an idea as to what everyone else is up to. So my price target is not that far from where price currently resides. My first price target is right down here around 76 cents. Then my second one is going to be around 70. And I really think that that's how low price is going to go in Polygon MATIC. So let me put this on the chart. Now we know that the price action back here in December, beginning of December, the market was rejected. So that is going to be our point to say, okay, cool. As long as MATIC trades below this 95 cent price, our expectation is for the market to generally trade sideways, but also go lower. Okay. So that first price target you guys can see is going to give us 6 3/4% right there. And then the next one I said was around 70 cents. I can see a midpoint right here too. So this is my second price target. So we got first price target 76, second one 72.5. That's 10 3/4%. And then my third one is going to be around 70 cents. All right. Now, again, it's not drastically weak. It's not massively bullish. It's not massively bearish. Like, I'm not looking for a crash. I'm not looking for a plummet. But given the recent price action, given what occurred here on this day, December 16th, given how price was rejected or saw resistance at 95 cents, is all reasons as to why we're playing slight weakness to the downside. All right, so that is it. I'm through. I'm done. We just simply need to let the price action work, and we'll come back in and see how the market trended against our prediction, and we'll see if we're right or wrong. Hit me up and tell me what your thoughts are. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.